students, in our previous video we see that Raghu went up to his father to ask for permission to go for mountaineering, but he got rejection from his father. Not only his father rejected his proposal, but also just told him things that hurt him a lot and made him cry. See, we have just completed the poem till here. Now we will begin from this time. Till here we have done. They think they can manage everything on their own. His father told Raghu that teenagers think that they could manage everything their own. And after that he started to think, what does this line show? What did his father told this line? Look at your clothes, look like you haven't bathed in years. Cut your hair, you look like a scream. Raghu was in tears. Why can't I live like I wanna be? See, before explaining the poem, I would like to tell you one more thing. There is a difference between clothes and clothes. CLOTHS. This is clothes, and this is used for unstitched clothes. And CLOTHES. These are called clothes. This is used for stitched clothes. You must know the difference. So his father used here clothes, not clothes. Remember it, please. See, his father told him, look at your clothes. Looks like you haven't bathed in years. His father made him realize that he is planning to go for mountaineering. Even he doesn't know how to dress, how to keep himself hygienic. See, look at your clothes. Looks like you haven't bathed in years. Cut your hair. His father told him to get his hair cut because he was looking fearsome. He was giving a terrible look, like a scream. You look like a scream means what? Raghu's father told him that he was looking his hair giving him a terrible appearance. Raghu was in tears and he thought, why can't I live like I wanna be? He wanted to live his life like he wants. And then he told, I won't change. My friends love it, and the girls, they all look at me. He told that he will not change himself because his friends love it. Students, it's true that at this age, the students face peer pressure. Peer means friend pressure. They just appreciate the things that their friends like more than their parents. Most of the students. Days passed by. Okay. And what happened? Days passed by and wait, student. Sorry for a moment. Days passed by. Things look better, sometimes worse. And in this way, times passed by. Sometimes it seems everything is better, sometimes it seems worse. Papa, there is a band that wants me to sing a verse. Join a band. And one day it happened that he went up again to his father to ask permission to sing in a band. That he got from where he got the proposal. His father started to yell. Yell means cried at the top of voice. His father told, join a band. And he was very much flabbergasted. Already I have discussed this word in your vocabulary video of changing times. Flabbergasted means when you are astonished, greatly astonished, when you are surprised. You have surely gone mad. His father told that Raghu must have gone crazy, mad. Think of a career, for things gonna be sad. His father told that he must be attentive, he must be serious about his career instead of all these things. Otherwise, things gonna be sad means he would be sad. Weeks went by and summer came down. Soon his expertise on the computer he found. And what happened after some time? He found that he was very much knowledgeable about computer. Expert is what also I have used. His grandpa was great, like a Boshampal. Boshampal is a word that is used for close friend. Raghu taught him about the net and email. And what happened? He was closer to his grandpa than parents. It happens, students. In this age, children or teenagers generally get more connected with their grannies, grandfathers, grandpas. His grandpa told Raghu. His grandpa complimented Raghu by saying that you are a genius. Here, you word is the word that is used for Raghu. But grandpa, this is something for Papa to say. He told that his father also understand this. Take it easy. As fathers and sons, we have gone through the stage. Here, gone through means what? Experience a difficult or unpleasant situation. Already I have discussed this phrasal verb in your vocabulary video. His grandpa told that don't worry. His grandpa assured him that one day it happened that everything would be fine between them. And I assure you, you will repeat our words when your son will be yours. Okay. Thank you students for watching. And one more thing I would like to say that if you want to get all the videos at one place, go in playlist and you will find all the videos over there. Thank you.